안녕하세요. 여러분, G. Eromon, Remark Daginutan Imnida. Hello everyone. Will be your tourist guide as you we visit the famous Kapi Pokpo in Seoul. The name Pokpo means waterfalls in Korean, which perfectly match the Kapi because it is located right beside the faithful Hangot Cape. Artificial waterfalls. The Kapi was established in April 2023 as part of Seoul Waterfront City project that made to transform the R into relaxing cultural and tourist space for both locals and visitors. Before the Kapi was built, the area used to be an old warehouse and parking space, but it was later reducing into a peaceful Kapi with a stunning waterfalls view. Today, Kapi Pokpo has become one of Seoul's hidden gems and is famous for its relaxing atmosphere, outdoor stairs, and breathtaking scenery, especially during sunset and nighttime when the waterfalls light up